Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use aim assist in Marvel Rivals. So go to the cogwheel at the top and hit settings. From here, go over to your controller tab. Make sure you're in the combat section and then open up the advanced menu, and in here you will notice that there's tons of different options here for sensitivity and things like input, dead zone, but scroll down just a little bit more and then you will find the assist window size, so able to change this from 0 all the way to 100. You're also able to adjust the assist strengths as well, and for specific heroes there's this projectile heroes, aim assist Hezen, hit scan hero, aim assist Hezen, and melee hero, aim assist Hezen. So adjusting the aim assist strength, the curve as you close in on the target zone, when you set it lower, the Easen for the sharper aim assist ramps up, suitable for heroes with an instant hit weapon, and when you set it higher, the aim assist is smoother as it ramps up, ideal for heroes that use projectiles, and melee heroes definitely have more of a sharp instant hit weapon, but you can also change this per hero. You'll have completely different settings in here for each hero. That's it for me, and thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.